Hi and welcome to my channel. In this instalment of my Citroen Relay H2 L3 van conversion to a camper, I'm installing a ceiling. Started getting the first couple of boards up, going to put the next couple up now. I'm using hardboard because it's lightweight and it's only there so I can carpet the top of that. So that's what we're on with today. Then after I've done that, I can get it carpeted. That'll be that job out the way. Then the next thing to do is put some battens up the walls, work out the walls so I can get them boarded out as well. As you can see, I've vapor barriered the whole van. So what is in here now is it's sound deadened and then insulated, vapor barriered completely around, ceiling, all the walls. So now we're ready to getting this ceiling up. Shouldn't get any condensation problems in here, hopefully. So the next one is to get these two boards up on here, and then that's what it should look like when it's done. That's ready to carpet, and then put the trim around the fan, and that's our job out the way and finished. Right, I've marked out on the board the size that I need, so I'm just going to cut this out and then we can offer it up and hopefully it will fit. The problem with this ceiling is you only get one piece out of a whole 8-foot sheet to get the joints, so the joints are over something so they don't sag. So unfortunately you have to use 4 sheets just to get this out, and you could do it probably with 2 sheets. But putting battens in other places to take all the edges wasn't easy, so it's easier to do this. This stuff's not expensive, it's 11 quid a sheet. It's not over the top, and the rest of the hardboard might come in for backs of cupboards or something of that nature, so it'll get used. Okay, we'll try and put this up. I've got a couple of props I've made, T-bars. They're the right height. That assists me so I can do this on my own. So we'll see if it fits now. And we'll have to trim it on the ends where we've got struts coming out. We'll trim it when we've got it up there. We'll just get it up there first. So we put one of these props, just squeeze it up like that. Get the other one. And then squeeze that up like that, nice and easy. Now we can just edge it into place. Very good, that's nice. So we can go that way. Let's go that way a bit. So just pull that off. Push it that way a bit more. Pull it back a little bit, gone a bit too much. That's not too bad there. What's holding that up? Something holding that. That'll be alright. Very good. Good. Right, okay. Push that up tight. Make sure my joint is nice. If it's not, just pull that back a bit. Get that joint nice and tight so it doesn't show off in the carpet. It won't anyway, because what I'm doing afterwards, you're not going to see much of the carpet. There we go. Nice and tight. Yep, that's good, that's good. That's good. That's all right there. Just need to trim it round that one. Okay, right, I'm going to get the carpet up on the ceiling now. So I'm using a contact adhesive, heat resistant one, which is the one everybody uses. It's Trim Fix adhesive. Spray the ceiling first, spray the back of the carpet, let it dry a little bit because it's contact adhesive again, and then start putting it up bit by bit, smooth it out. Not going to do too much at a time, and stretch the carpet in to all the little crevices. Hopefully we can get this pretty neat. Okay. Right, that's the bulk of it up. So now just got to trim it in, glue those all in, push them right into they'll all be, then the wall will come up above that, and that'll give me a nice finish across the top. But apart from that, yeah, it's all gone on very well. Can't see any ridges anywhere, any ripples anywhere. It's all smooth, so that's good. There, that's the fans all in, all finished. Just got to wire them up, ceiling in. Not very good on the video because it's black, but you can see the principle. There we go. There's the second fan all in.